Nagbakalsan? Kuya Gab, alugi man tabi ako. Sorry, Kuya Gab. Kuya Gab, alugi man tabi ako sa dinaano. Adiha, alugi man tabi ho. Kuya Gab. Salamat.
Oh, wait lang. Oh, wait lang.
Thank you, my love, Gab. Thank you, my Gabi.
Kumain pa ko tubig ito tabi. Ano ba yan? Dito ya. Ha? Ha?
Opo.
Wait lang na.
Hi, Rodrigo number 1. Welcome back. How are you, Ano? How are you, Rodrigo? How are ya? Long time no hear. Good morning, my dear. Long time no hear. What happened to you? Just wake up. I'm fine. I'm still beautiful, you know. Ooh. Da-da-da-da-da-da. He is in someone else's channel. Yeah, maybe. How are ya? Thank you for joining here now. Thank you so much. Mm, mm, mm. Team from Rodrigo. Thank you so much. Nagsisilo si Tim. He is, I told you already. Nagsisilo siya kasi ano. Oh my God. Yes, I told you already. Mm, mm. My coffee. Not yet. I boiled ano, uh, water. The water not yet hot. No water hot. Mm, mm. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you so much for joining here again. What are you doing in your life? You're so busy. Mm, 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 mm. Tip tip. Tip tip. Like, okay, easy. Thank you. Mm. Mm. Oh my God. Pakarin! Mama. Oo. Ah, kada. Hmm. Hmm. Kahapon, wala. Nagtambay ako dito sa opisina at wala kami trabaho. sabi nila, pag huna ako sa imo ate, kay may kunong ka lang na imo dito. Huna ko talaga ang istorya sin. Sabi, malala pa ka na ate Christy. malala pa ko na ako sa imo. Malala ka pa ka ate Christy pala. Pag huna tahimik lang ni President. Pag huna ko sa imo, tahimik kunong ka lang. Sana ka-close ko na siya. Nag-ano na baga. Siyempre, alanganin ko man tao naman kahanpang ko. Ah. Sabi, Nay, nangalason talaga ako sa iyo, sabi ni Banji. Nangalason talaga. Mao nga ni, nangalason talaga ako sa iyo. Arayo ka man ano. Hi, me. Hello, beautiful and elegant lady. You don't have audio. Sorry. Cheryl, your dad wants you. What? Oh my God. Thank you for joining, guys. Thank you, Jaime. Thank you, my team. Thank you, Rodrigo. An old man was behind you. He took a picture of you and closed the door. He's my dad. He watching me? Nah. Okay, wait. May nag-uupat. Oh, dapat yun, inisir. Oo, nanadaan. Ang sa ibabaw, dapat inisir ko. Sa ibabaw sa mata. Sa baganan mo yun, baganan mo yun. Baga? Diba? Sa ibabaw man lang yun, dili man yun sa ano. Such a nice guy. That was your dad, yes. My father. He's my father. He's my father. It's your dad, yeah, my dad. Go to him, I'm serious. Yep. Yeah, such a nice guy. See, I told you he needed you. Yeah. Thank you, my team. Yep.
Sigma game. Wait, drag mo Camilo.
Chololilo, cholala, chupakini, chupapan, chidididi. Ay, dito, kaya ano yun? Paguna ka kung may nano kami. May simbahan na oras. Na oras. Ay, sige. Na oras. Sige. Din dararahon. Susundon ta. Din ta sundon. Binakuan. Sa Baklay kita ato. Sige. Yada sa ano? Ano to yada pa? What a beautiful, caring daughter. Yes, I love my father. Thank you, guys. Kuya Gab, pwede mo man tabi dun si ano, baso. Dito ang kulay violet, tabi ko daw tabi. Main, pwede mo man tabi dun baso, ang kape. Ang violet.
Mama, nasa ugasan.
Andiri hugasan.
Pipito.
Pwede mo man.
Paito. May pay. Pait.
Thank you, Jaime. Thank you, Tia. Pwede mo man ako sa baso dito. Tralalilo, tralala. So beautiful life, beautiful day. Sa kawalan, umikot man. Tralalilo, tralala, I hope you're free somewhere in your heart. You always stay. Girl, you
Sa amin yan ang gift niya.
Kuya Gab, Gabriel.
Nanogabi kita Sheryl.
Baan.
Nano?
Dahil daw, kopi ka blanca.
Sheryl na nabeta.
Kopi ka blanca.
At Sheryl na na.
Tayo pa. Ito nga daw.
Adia.
Thank you for watching everyone here now. Tap, tap, na, na, na. Beautiful life, beautiful day. Kulang pa ba na maisip kita? Alam ko ba kung bakit ikaw ang naipuso? Oh, thank you, my love, Gab. Take a luggage jacket. Spell out this message and take it. Elogs Rodrigo. Oh. Okay. Okay. Done. Okay, Gab.
Akala na sabi ni Para daw sabi ni mama ko, pinalok na ko ano lapit. Siyan. Dirty video. Dirty na diyon.
Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Kaya pa mo yun. Okay na.
Nasa pusa ni Siyan.
Ang kulit. Well, duh. Why time going to work? What time? After doing live. Oh, yeah, after doing live, after finish here at home. Song that always makes you happy.
Hala, si Digong! Papalaya si Digong! Papata!
Wait.
Ate Fix, makalaya si Digong! Sige si Pato! Atay ka! Main! Main! Kaputan si Giling kapatid! Oh, ligaw! Oh! Aray ka!
Oh my God.
Super ko to!
What makes you happy? Who takes you about being happy? No, it's a It's a question here on YouTube. What makes you happy? It's a question. What makes you happy, Tim? What makes you happy? What? Through the left, through the light, through the bottom, up to top, make it move it because it's right in the middle of your screen. Ah, okay. Okay. I don't know how to move it.
Cappuccino, iiyak na ko, no? Aray ko. Aray ko po, lakit. Kapit lang.
So what next? Another question. Another questions. Yeah, I start a poll. Wait, okay, I have a question. Ano? Perfect is smooth. Perfect is smooth. Another question.
Say mo yan? Ay,
What is important?
Tita, siga pa nga. Ay, hirap, hirap.
Yeah. What is important? Wait, I need to. What important? What? Yes. Need to ano. What is important, my love? For you, my team, what is important? The most important.
Ay, sakayin na ako dito kasi sa ano, video sa
I know I'm never this way again. Hold on. You to obey. And top 3. And next. Top 3, the most important. Hi, hello. Thank you for watching here now. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hi, thank you, my team. Shanika got my ton. Thank you so much. Guy Godzanders. Good morning, Cheryl. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. Thank you, guys, for joining here. Thank you so much. Other beats. Oh, and thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. Apps. Oh, Matt. Mm, mm, mm. Henrique Alves. Oi, bom dia. Hi. Good day from Brazil. Hi, Enrique Alves from Brazil. Thank you so much.
Nagtira yung kuya ka. Niluto pa yun.
Thank you po. Salamat. And then, da, 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 dun, dang, ching.
Mata. Ako na yan.
Thank you. Salahan. Na, 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 na. Di, 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 jang, tong.
Kuya ma.
To the light, to the color of the one such. So much. All of me like it do. Touch me like it do. Touch me like it do. Hi, good day. I'm Aisha.
Ay, siya. Kuya Carlos, kaya ko tayo. Mama. Sama ko yun. Maabang kami sa ano. Kita makat to. Kurt, tangan dilihan ko dyan. Okay na nga.
Hmm. I told you guys you are here to talk, not to watch your work. Oh, sorry. Hi, Harley. You're just so beautiful. How was your day? How was your day today? My day is a beautiful day today. Oh, that worked down. Sorry, my team. What that worked down. Sorry. Hi, Harley. How are ya? Welcome back here, my Harley, Team Harley. Oh my God, sorry. It was a very long day. Hot Miami, nothing to do. Are you all from Miami? Miami. Miami, USA. No, I'm from Arizona. Nabatog ka pa lang. Pero uli sa to kanina na ano. Ano, ayusan na yun, kuya. Katagang ko ikaw.
Pero man.
Sige na, ayusan na ngun ayon. Bago ka. She forgets. Yeah, I forgot. Sorry. Sorry, Arlie. I forgot. My gulay. And how easy forget? I have a memory loss. And how, yeah, memory loss. Oh my God, thank you so much. Where are you, Nam? Napaka-busy niyo today. Busy today. Every night of my dreams. You look like you're very bored and have nothing to.
Then,
Sorry. Harley, what is the most important for you in a relationship? What is the most important to you? Mm. Harley, what is the most important to you? Damn, bam, bam, bam. Thank you. Honesty, communication, and don't hide things. And you must talk all the time and never go to bed angry at each other. What a beautiful! Oh my God! Thank you, Harley. That's why. That's correct. It's too much. Communication, the most communication is very important. Most LDR. Yes. If without communication, I think it's over. Yeah, it's over. Without communication, it's over. Nano? And don't have things in my set all the time and never do bad thing. Good morning, everyone. Morning. That's true. Communication keep it together. Yeah, keep it together. Communication is very important in a relationship. Without communication, it's over now. Thank you, Harley. Morning, everyone. Morning. I think ever you're in my arms. Why are you having trouble? Why? Nothing. I'm just asking. Like survey. Survey. That's why. What is the most important in a relationship? People are different mindset, like the vision of in a relationship, like vision of love, vision in a relationship, mission, vision, the mission, vision, no? Di ba't sabi? Oh, ay, ay, ay. Kulang na kulang ba? I'm so happy for today. I was brought up by my mother alone, and her number one role was always treat a woman like a woman in that way. Thank you so much. It's a beautiful word from you, Harley. From a man like you, Harley. Thank you. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Pero mahal kita, pero Hi, Golden. Welcome back here. How are you? How are you, Golden? For you, Golden, what is the most important what is the most important in a relationship for you? Survey. I'm getting old now. Wrinkles. This pulling the chart. Thank you so much. How are you doing? I'm doing live coffee as always. Like a sea.